Also new for the 2012 TL is a 6-speed automatic transmission. The benefits of the 6AT are 1, better fuel economy, and 2, more refined driving feel. There's also a slight improvement in acceleration. Throughout the development, setting of the transmission gear ratio, the torque converter lockup, the shift maps were continuously being refined to achieve the optimal balance of performance and efficiency, and I'm very proud of the results. The 6AT is only one part of the TL fuel economy equation. Now let's take a look at some of the other refinements made to improve the fuel economy. The next part of the equation is aerodynamics. By utilizing computer simulations and actual on-car wind tunnel testing, the Acura engineers discovered new methods to improve the aerodynamic efficiency and reduce the drag. These bits, as they are called, included optimizing the open area of the grille and the bumper by making modifications to direct the air to maximize cooling and to add strakes to improve the flow of air that goes underneath the car. The final result was a 5.4% reduction in aerodynamic drag at 70 miles per hour. At R&D, we made modifications to allow cool, fresh air to enter the engine intake system and to prevent the hot air from the engine room from entering. This is important because when the air temperature entering the engine is high, it forces the ignition timing to retard to prevent engine knocking. This delay in ignition timing reduces the output and efficiency of the engine. So by allowing more cool air and less hot air to enter the intake system, we were able to achieve the fuel economy benefit. A little earlier I mentioned that there were some changes made to the engine for the 3.5 liter to improve fuel economy. A new manufacturing process to turn plateau honing is utilized. The result is a smoother surface of the cylinder wall. There's also material changes that are applied, such as new Molly dot pistons, new lower viscosity engine oil, and new IP200 piston rings. All of these changes lower the amount of internal engine friction and thereby improve the efficiency and the fuel economy. And finally, by applying a new tool-fine electrode spark plug with more precise spark, an increase in exhaust gas reusage, or EGR, is possible. When the amount of EGR is maximized, it decreases the fuel-air mixture that is required for combustion and an increase in fuel economy. So, when you add it all up, the increase in fuel economy is quite significant. The Acura TL with 6AT, improved aerodynamics, reduced friction, optimal ignition timing, and increased EGR has an increase of 2 miles per gallon city and 3 miles per gallon highway. The fuel economy rating is now 20 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway. You heard me correctly. The TL with 280 horsepower achieved 20 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway. The effect of these changes on the TL SH all-wheel drive resulted in plus 1 mile per gallon city and plus 1 mile per gallon highway, with a fuel economy rating of 18 city and 26 highway. This puts the 3.5 liter TL at the top of its class of the entry luxury segment. This result is much more than just a refinement, but this is a major improvement to the Acura that we are extremely proud of. Okay, now let's move on to